Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to be providing a quick update on my progress of getting Tesla Solar in the Elk Grove, Sacramento area. Before I get into the update, I actually wanted to show some of the options that are offered by Tesla Solar. So there are three different options. One is a cash purchase, two is a loan purchase, and three is a subscription. So the option that I'm going with is a cash purchase. There is a link right there at the bottom of the video, and I'll also have the link in the video description below. Typically, when you go and get solar, there are usually two options. One is a cash purchase, one is getting a loan for the solar panels. But Tesla offers a third option, which is a subscription option. When you go to Tesla.com, it does show you all of the different options. But one thing I really wanted to point out here is that with the subscription option, you're not going to offset your bill completely, but it really does look like that Tesla has strong conviction in the product that they're offering because they offer no cancellation with the subscription option. Alright, so let's get right into the update. I call it day 5, but it's been about 4 months since I put in my initial order on Tesla.com. If you're interested to know why it took so long, you can check out my previous videos. So since my last video, I had a site visit scheduled for November 12th, but they actually came early on November 9th. The Tesla representative was in the area, I was home. It kind of worked out for both parties. One of the things we talked about is the official placement of where the inverter was going to go. Typically, it's a little bit easier for them to install it outside, but he did mention that there is an option to install it inside the home. On the outside of the home, this was the location that he was proposing. After he took a look at the inside of my garage, there was a good spot on the wall. I opted for the location on the inside of the garage. One of the questions that I had was, can the conduit go through the attic? Typically with solar installs, the conduit comes off the roof and then comes down and below the roof and then runs along the house towards where the inverter would go. This was a reason why HOA made it clear that they wanted me to make sure that the conduit was painted to the same color as the home. But after talking to the Tesla representative, he said that there was an option to run the conduit through the attic and then drop it through the garage to where the inverter would be. The next thing he did was check the attic space. He simply went up, took a few pictures, came down, and then he took about 10 minutes to check the roof shingle state and then the brand to order extra pieces. He said the installers may break a few here and there, and that's one of the reasons why they'll bring a few extra pieces to them when they install the solar panels. As he was heading out, he did mention that the next steps would be that I should get a call from my project advisor within a week. But since it's been a little bit more than a week, I'm going to go ahead and send an email to my project advisor to see where we are in the process. So that does it for day 5. Not really much of an update, but I did want to make sure that everybody was informed with all the steps in my process. If you need a referral link to get $100 off your Tesla Solar purchase, you can use my referral link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.